What's that? Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Paul Collar from the National Weather Service in Sullivan. Just want to give you an update on our situation here today. We do have a winter weather advisory that goes into effect at 11 a.m. and it goes through 6 p.m. And it's covering basically along the I-94 corridor and areas to the south and to the north. We're expecting a fairly potent piece of energy to move in and generate a quick hitting bout of snowfall. How much? Well, this is what we're thinking, anywhere from less than 1 inch across parts of the southwest and far southern portion of our area to up to 2 to 3 inches in sort of a concentrated band here along Interstate 94. Lesser amounts up towards Fond du Lac and Sheboygan. But again, we're going to be really keying on this area from Madison over to Milwaukee. So as far as when's this going to get going? Well, areas out here around Madison and the Dells between 11 a.m. and about noon, and it'll kind of progress and take on an orientation that will favor areas along I-94 towards the noon hour and get going towards 1 o'clock in the far southeast. So that's what we're kind of thinking here, late morning into the early afternoon for when this will get going. And it'll wrap up mid-afternoon from the Dells over towards Madison, sort of in that 3 to 5 p.m. range. And then it should wrap up between about 5 and 7 in the far southeast. But we do think that areas along I-94 will be affected during the afternoon rush hour. So that's something you're going to want to be alert to. How's this going to evolve? Well, this is one of the models we use that helps us sort of pinpoint how this winter weather scenario may unfold. And you can see as it begins to take shape here around 11 o'clock, it's this band that sets up along the Interstate 94 corridor that we're most concerned about. And you can see during the early to mid-afternoon hours is when it really starts to take shape there across areas from Madison over to Milwaukee. And then it slides southeast through Racine and Kenosha counties, wrapping up either very late this afternoon or early this evening. So that's pretty much the situation here. So as this snow moves in today, be alert. If you encounter reduced visibility, slow down, allow extra following distance between you and the driver ahead, and be alert for slick spots. And again, the area most concerned that we have the most concern about is along I-94 from Madison to Milwaukee as the afternoon wears on. So that's the latest from the forecast office here in Sullivan. Maybe we'll come back and give you an update a little later.